Imagine this, right? You are kicking it easy in your office, and suddenly your Azure Virtual Machine starts acting all wonky, taking ages to boot up, or even worse, it starts tripping the network. Ouch, that's no good, especially when you are working with sensitive data. So, I was pondering over how you could catch these little gremlins sneaking around in our Azure systems without having my head spinning from tech jargon. Let me lay it out for you. You are going to see how crucial it is, not only to manage these platforms for our workflow but keep them in top-notch shape. Now, when I say optimize Azure Virtual Machine performance, we are talking about the art and science of making these virtual machines do more with less, stay healthy, and do it fast. The journey to a smooth and efficient workflow is paved with keen attention to monitoring and maintaining the health and performance of these workhorses. So, let's plunge into the depths of Azure optimization, shall we? First things first, we gotta appreciate why overseeing our VM's performance is strategically important, not just for business continuity, but for scaling, cost optimization, and meeting SLAs. It's about the safety net, the reassurance that when your system does the tango smoothly, it's a dance you won't embarrass yourself in front of. Monitoring ensures we are not just blindly trusting our Azure machines to play the game, right? Next up, let's paint a real-world picture of a monitoring deployment. You've likely seen the fancy diagrams in tech blogs, right? They always start with an Azure environment. Let's draw that one, but with a twist. It's gotta have robust monitoring with Azure Monitor tailored for virtual machines. How about we map out an architecture where we've got dashboards that lay bare the soul of these machines, giving clear insights on their CPU, memory, and disk I/O, all the while ensuring we don't have our data munchkin in sight. We want to maintain privacy while making sense of these patterns. You're with me till here. Great, let's walk through setting the stage. Starting with the Azure Monitor agent, yes, our main character, install it on VMs. Once there, create a log analytics workspace where the data performs a dance with the collected logs and telemetry coming to life. Tailor your dashboards so that when your performance is not up to par with the Uberhero VM, you can pinpoint exactly where the issues lay just by peeking at the graphs and charts. It's like having your own crystal ball, predicting potential downtimes with a little hunch. But wait, there's more. Troubleshoot like a pro. When these virtual beasts are having a frenzy of high CPU usage or suffering from a memory leak, don't let them down. Let's tap into the logs and metrics, becoming Sherlock Holmes, solving the performance mysteries, unveiling where bottlenecks hide and deciphering patterns, if our VMs are having their high tea or not. Now for the gold star, best practices. Seriously, think like a Fort Knox. We are talking security-first design like the fortress it is. Set up role-based access control because you wouldn't want just any Tom, Dick, or Harry wandering around your most precious digital assets. Automated backups and disaster recovery? Yes, we've got that covered because even digital titans hit the water now and then. These aren't just suggestions. They are the backbone of a fortified Azure estate, ensuring peace of mind while juggling with performance and health. Now, imagine, right this way to your next adventure. Visit Neeraj.com and subscribe to TechLab because it's always good to have friends around in this tech saga, isn't it? Let's embrace it together, shall we?